Hi, so this is our Project 2 H-Bridge DC motor control. So in this project, we're demonstrating direction control of a DC motor using an H-Bridge built from MOSFETs. We first set it up in Tinkercad, and then we built the same circuit on the NI Elvis using an N-channel IRF 540 and a P-channel IRF 9540 MOSFETs. The goal of the H-Bridge is to allow current to flow through the motor in either direction, depending on which push button we use. This lets us reverse the motor's rotation. So, let me explain the circuit wiring. At the top, we have a DC motor connected between the midpoint of the H-bridge. The H-bridge is made from two PMOS transistors on the high side, IRF 9540, and the two NMOS transistors on the low side, the IRF 540. Each half bridge is controlled by a push button. When one button is pressed, it turns on a diagonal pair of MOSFETs, one PMOS and one NMOS. This creates a path for current to flow through the motor in one direction. Pressing the other button switches the opposite diagonal pair of MOSFETs, reversing the current direction through the motor and therefore reversing its rotation. Resistors are used as pull-downs and pull-ups to make sure the gates of the MOSFETs are properly biased when the buttons are not pressed. This prevents accidental switching. If we press the left button, the top left PMOS and the bottom right NMOS turn on. Current flows from the positive supply through the motor and down to ground. The motor spins one way. If we press the right button, the top right PMOS and bottom left NMOS turn on. Current flows in the opposite direction through the motor. This makes the motor spin the other way. Only one button should be pressed at a time. If both were pressed, it could short supply and damage the MOSFETs. One of the key takeaways from this project is learning the difference between wiring up a PMOS and an NMOS, so make sure to search the pinout. So to summarize, this H-bridge lets us control the direction of a DC motor using MOSFETs. By pressing one button, we energize one diagonal of the H-bridge, and pressing the other button energizes the opposite diagonal. This reverses current flow through the motor and changes its direction. Thank you.